Hello everyone and welcome back to another In the Kitchen recipe. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how to make gluten-free peanut butter cookies. These are only 3 ingredients. They are so incredibly easy to make. So let's get started. So I'm going to start out by grabbing medium-sized mixing bowl. You're going to need a half a cup of packed brown sugar, 1 egg, and 1 cup of peanut butter. That's all. That's it. And I just had to share this recipe because I've been making these for my family because it is so simple and with 3 simple ingredients. So once I have all the ingredients in the bowl, I'm going to mix that up. And you're going to mix this up until it forms almost like a sticky dough. After this, set it off to the side. Get your cookie sheet out, lined with parchment paper, foil. If you're going to use foil, I would spray it with some cooking spray. Today I'm using parchment paper. This makes about, depending on how large or small you scoop them out, this is going to make anywhere from 14 to 18 cookies. Typically I get about 18 cookies. This round I got 16. And I just use a 1-inch cookie scoop. Once I have these scooped out on my pan, you have to press these cookies down with a fork. You have to. If you do not, they will not spread. These cookies do not spread. You have to press them down with the fork. They literally will stay really humped up and puffed up like they are in this ball form. So press them down so they will cook evenly also. Once these have been pressed down, it's time to throw them in the oven. So have your oven preheating at 350 degrees. I recommend not cooking these cookies any longer than 8 minutes. 8 minutes is all it takes. And if you cook them more than 8 minutes, they will start to burn. They will burn quickly, so you have to keep an eye on them. 8 minutes tops I found is like the perfect time where they're still going to come out chewy peanut butter. Now if you like a crisper cookie, do you, that's fine. You can cook them however you want to. If you're looking for that more fluffier, chewier, soft cookie, 8 minutes. They are done. The cookies are nice and soft. Another side note, you need to make sure that when these come out of the oven, they remain on their pan for several minutes. If you do not allow these cookies some cooling time, they will crumble. You cannot pick them up when they are at their hottest. You cannot move them into a jar or separate container while they are at their hottest. You have to let these cookies cool down or they will crumble into pieces. You have to allow them time to set up. These cookies are fantastic. And I hope that you guys will try them out for yourselves. If you do, let me know in the comment section below. I thank you so very much for watching. Stay tuned for more In the Kitchen recipes. And don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional In the Kitchen links.